What is going on, guys? I'm going to talk about TCBP today. I'm thinking this stock is pretty much ready to run at this point. Just looking at the 4-hour chart. Today we held up really well. We held that 37 area as a support level. I like what we're seeing here on the 4-hour. I like these candles. Nice hammer candles. You can tell these wick down and the dips got added here. So I like the wicks on the 4-hour and 2-hour here, and the fact that we're kind of curling here into after hours. It's going to be interesting to see what this does the next few days. Just given the pattern I've been trading lately, it's been a lot of MFI trending down last one bar. Every time we see that, the price jumps up the next day, and it's been doing that for the past 2 days. So I'm interested to see what the next few sessions hold for this stock. I think personally that it's very bottomed out. I think we found a floor here, and it'll at least get back over 40 cents. But best case, I think it'll do $1 or 80 cents. But pennies also going. A lot of penny stocks are taking off, and the technicals here are still looking fantastic. So we're gonna have to see how this one shapes up. But I'm personally thinking, like, it's my personal opinion that this is ready to run. Again, we'll just have to see some volume. That's going to be important, right? That's always important. But the 4-hour looks to be setting up again here. Still got that bullish PSAR signal on the 4-hour, as well as the 10-minute. So I think it's setting up very nicely here. Again, we're going to have to see some volume. But yeah, it's looking pretty ready. Another one I'm looking at is COSM. COSM is reminding me a lot of QNRX before that ran up. If you look at the MFI pattern here, our DI plus positive signal here is way above our negative DI. I like where the RSI is sitting as well, below 40 still. If we compare this to QNRX as well, before it ran, you had that big pop and then it pulled back hard. I think cosm pulled back into the 30s. Yeah, 35 cents. You can see QNRX is pretty much the same price that it bombed out at. Well, 33 cents, 32 cents, right? So came down. Now it's making that similar pattern, right? The DMI on cosm is a little bit more dramatic. But I like what I'm seeing here. If you're making a comparison between the two, they look to be pretty similar. I'd say this has actually been more beat down, more oversold. So I like what I'm seeing in terms of the setup and the technicals. Again, just set some volume alerts. If you see that it got loaded, it definitely did get loaded today though. Some big buys. So I'm going to be keeping this on high watch for sure. Another one I'm really watching is RVSN. I already talked about this one, but I like that pullback today. I think this is almost ready to run as well. It's still holding support really well. 78 cents support is solid, I would say. So I like how it closed here with that candle. I like that nice hammer candle. I think the next few days are going to be bullish. Yeah, again, we just have to see some volume, right? Like, it hit the bottom Bollinger Band there, and I think that was a nice buy. So we'll have to see some volume come through here, and maybe a PR would be nice. But basically, this entire video, I think, really need to stress how ready I think TCBP is. Yeah, I just think, I mean, just, based on my past experience trading, this one really reminds me of AREB quite a bit, and Seed. Those were two stocks that were very beat down. Very similar pattern, as you can see. We might see it bump up a little bit and pull back for a few days, consolidate for a few more days and then get the move. But again, it's going to depend on their timing for their PR. But it's a very similar chart to a Reb and as well as Seed before its big run that we caught. Very similar, very beat down, right? So yeah, I like what I'm seeing right now. I'd be interested in actually adding more at this point. Maybe putting half of my account in this thing because that would be a fantastic win if we can get a big move here, if we get a big double. Yeah, I mean it's going to be good money. So yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'll probably double up on the next dip. Definitely waiting for some news still. So things really haven't changed. I think the setup is just becoming more ripe as the sessions go by. So yeah, I'm just remaining patient. It's one of those bottomed out setups that you can kind of play stress free, or for the most part stress free, if you have good risk management skills. But yeah, I like what I'm seeing here. Looks like we're setting up for a big move. So fingers crossed, guys. All right, take care.